Which command you will use when you want to check the flights between two cities on the specified date at a specified time?
First of all, enter the transaction code SN, then enter the departure date, departure airport, arrival airport, and departure time. Right.
Right. What is the command to be given to get the information about specific flight?
Repeat.
What is the command to be given to get the information about a specific flight?
First of all, enter the transaction code DO, then enter the flight flight line number 06.
Right. Which flights are displayed in Amadeus availability display?
The flight which it includes those flights which have only one seat available for booked flights and wait listing.
Right. What is the main advantage of schedule display?
It shows you all possible flights that have no seat available.
Right. If you want to see the flight information of specific airline, then which command is to be used?
First of all, enter the transaction code DO, then enter the airline code, then flight number and oblique and date and time.
Wrong.
Oblique and date and time.
If you want the details about flights from London to Munich at 2 p.m. on 10th of August, which command you will have to use in Amadeus?
First of all, enter the transaction code TN, then enter the departure date, departure airport, arrival airport, and desired departure time.
Right. If the departure date is omitted from the flight from London to Munich at 10 p.m., then which date information will be taken?
The system will show us today's date, transaction code TN, then departure airport LHR, arrival airport MUC, and time.
If we do not write the time and date in the command of the above mentioned example, then what is the system will display?
The system will show us current time and the transaction code TN, departure airport LHR, arrival airport MUC, then date.
Right. How many maximum digit flight number can we have?
4.
Right. If the flight flies 7 days, then which code is to be used?
D.
Right. What do you mean by neutral flight availability?
How many seats available in each flight?
Right. If the semicolon code is used in the flight display, then what does it mean?
Code share flight.
What do you mean by code share flight?
Code share flight is flights when seats space shared in sold out by two airlines.
Right. And what does asterisk star code is used in the flight display?
It means when two airlines leased out their flight seat.
Can you please elaborate more?
When two airlines leased out their flight seats to another airline.
Right. If C code in bracket is given in a flight display, what does it mean?
Charter flight.
Right. If you have to come back from Munich to London in the evening 7 p.m. on 28th of August, then which command is to be used?
Transaction code TC, then enter the letter R for return and departure date and time.
If in the above command, arrival date is missing, then how you are going to enter it?
The system will show us today's date, transaction code TC, then letter R for return and departure time.
Right. Which alphabet is used for first class in Amadeus?
PFA.
Right. Which command is used to get the flight information along with the seat availability in the flight?
First of all, enter the transaction code TC, then enter the transaction code AN. Wait. Transaction code AN, then enter the departure date and time and city pair.
Wrong. Okay. Which alphabet is used for the business class in Amadeus?
Business class JCD.
Right. Which alphabet is used for discounted economy class in Amadeus?
Discounted economy class. BHKLMQTV.
Right. Which command is used to find out the seat availability from the existing timetable?
Transaction code AC, then letter AN is used.
Wrong. Which flight has seat available? What it is called in Amadeus?
Availability of timetable.
Right. Which alphabet is used for economy class in Amadeus?
Economy class. WYS.
Right.